How to activate Telegram on iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to activate Telegram on iPhone. Start by opening your Telegram application on your iPhone. Once the app is open, select your country from the available options. Next, enter your phone number in the designated field. Tap on the Continue button to proceed. You will receive a verification code on the phone number you provided. Enter this code in the app. Now your Telegram account is active on your iPhone. At this point, you may see a pop-up message saying Telegram would like to send you notifications. To receive notifications, allow this option. Take a moment to read the pop-up message and then tap on OK to confirm. Once you've completed the setup, you can start using Telegram. You will have access to your contacts, chats, and all of Telegram's features. If you've used Telegram on a previous device and want to sync your chats and data, you can do so by logging in with the same phone number and using the cloud backup feature in Telegram. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.